guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. But make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. It's hot again in New York. We went through hell, then it was fall, and now it's hot again. So I don't know, which is why there's no makeup on my face. I have on brow gel, mascara, and that's it. And usually with these videos, I like to do like a cute little makeup look. Nah, not today. But I'm kidding. But I spent way too much money at Ulta. Way too much. Did I expect to spend this much? I did not. I didn't. But I got a lot of stuff. This bag is heavy. And if you guys are ready to get into my 2025 Ulta haul, keep on watching. Let's start. We have some micellar water. Needs no introduction. I love this stuff. I use this every single day. I wear makeup because I don't wear makeup every day. But I'm running low on my other one. I need to re-up. Next, I have my Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. You guys know when I take off my makeup, I love a cleansing balm, a cleansing oil. I like to just melt the makeup off and wipe away. I really like that. It also helps keep all the moisture in, and your face is not so dry afterwards. But this is the little size that I got. I feel like I get this size because it's kind of expensive. Where is it? Where is it? I can't find it. Where is it? Here we go. Yeah. For travel size, it's $15. But I love it. What else we got? Next, I just have some the Malibu set. These are just disposable razors. Yes, I'm still doing my You Like Air 10 IPL, but I have tattoos. I cannot use that IPL device over tattoos. And you still have to shave before you use it. I'm really close to not having to shave. I'm really close. And I've tried these before. I've had the other ones where you just you swap out the blades. But these are really good. I grabbed them. Shut up. Oh, I'll do these products together. Oh my god. Since I went through shaving, let's get a little skin body. Okay, so of course I have my Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. This is a Shea Sugar Scrub. This one is in watermelon. This just smells so good. And then I got the pineapple. Why? Because they're really, like, my skin feels so good when I use these. You need to exfoliate your body. It feels so nice. They smell so good. My entire bathroom when I use the pineapple smells like a pineapple Italian icy, and I love that. So I have to get two. Oh my god. They smell so good. The watermelon just smells amazing. I think they're discontinuing the watermelon scents from some of their lines because the watermelon body lotion is not there anymore, and I didn't see the aftershave oil either, which was like, what's up with that? This is serum, not a book, but like, what's that? That's the best. It's the best scent. I know it's a little racist for me to say so, but like it is. Okay. And here's the moisturizing body lotion that I was talking about. I usually get the watermelon, but this Moroccan rose smells so good. A little goes a long way. Extremely hydrating. I recommend to anybody who has dry skin, and especially dry hands. If you wash your hands a lot, like I found that when I got better and I was washing my hands after everything, soften the babies right back up. Sure did. And it just smells so good. And it's like it's hand and body. I would not use this on my face. It's definitely scented. It's a very, I think it's like a, I'm not gonna say it's a strong scent. It is, because it doesn't trigger my headaches, but it is long lasting. I'll say that. And here is the Moroccan Rose aftershave serum that I'm talking about. So it says tea tree oil, lactic acid, and salicylic acid. This, because my skin is super sensitive, and when I shave, I get those bumps. Since I started using this, I do not. And it's so good. And I haven't tried this scent, but like for the shave serum, but it smells really good. Let's smell it right now. It smells so good. And it lasts a while. Even with the scent, it doesn't irritate your skin. I don't know how, but I love this stuff. They did that. I don't know. I'm trying to get through these things. Now, for ARiiE products, I really wanted their anti-acne serum. I couldn't find it, so I just got this vitamin C face oil with turmeric. Ooh, my eyebrow's itching. With turmeric, sea buckthorn, and red raspberry, and it says instantly nourishes and brightens, illuminates. I just really wanted a face oil to wear at night because I feel like at night I need a little extra hydration because I can't do it during the day. You guys know, real greasy, real oily, could fry your chicken. So I like to do all my heavy moisturizing and oils at night, and I feel like it's been a while since I've used one, so I had to bring it back. All this stuff is $400. You will see why. It is my fault, but I had to. Next, I just have my Africar cleanser. This is La Roche-Posay. I'm not gonna say how y'all mispronounce the name, but really good. 2% salicylic acid. You guys know it's my go-to. This is just a travel size. I have a big one in my bathroom just in case. Just in case. All right. I could not. You guys know every time I go to Ulta, every time I like re-up on any kind of product, I have to get this, and I just ran out this morning. So not only was it imperative that I go buy and restock, but it's also imperative that I do this this haul right away so I can use it. So I have 3 of the Good Molecules. This is the brightening and dark spot bar. 3 of them. I usually get 4, but like I already didn't want to spend so much money. But amazing! I cannot wait to. Hold up! Look at my face! Look at my face! Do you guys remember my face from my morning skincare routine? Do you guys remember how many dark marks were there? I just wanna say that because excited, and it hasn't been more than what? That was up maybe 2 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. At this time, come on, please. And I cannot wait to show you guys my results from using the You Like Air 10, especially under. Well, I can only show you guys my underarms. That's why I'm not like throwing them. Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm having such great results that like, and I show people, like I text my friend, I said, look, this is when I started in August of last year. This is where I'm at now. And these products, well, this is just one product, but Good Molecule products have absolutely helped me get rid of that hyperpigmentation. When I say under my arm, it's almost completely like free of any kind of hyperpigmentation, any dark marks. And that's really because I'm not adding any more like trauma through shaving because I'm shaving a lot less. And I'm at a point where I think I'm so close to not having to shave at all. So, but yes, I got 3 of these. You guys know I usually get 4, but budgeting. And then that's what I thought. And then I threw it right out the window. My gosh. And again, these are only $8 each. I always say it because I think everyone should try it. Try it. Not only with like dark marks, it helps with any breakouts as well. Just trust me. We here. Just trust. Okay. And for Good Molecules, I just got the niacinamide brightening toner and discoloration correcting serum duo. I'm running out of both right now. I just got the duo. You save a little bit of money. I think this was like $25 to $26. And it's great. You use these after you use this. And then you don't go anywhere without your sunscreen. So I had to re-up on my Black Girl sunscreen. This was in SPF 50. I think this is the highest that they have. They now have like travel sizes. They now have like a spray, but I just prefer this, and this is what I use on my face. On my body, I use that banana boat. 100, actually. Yeah. Also, real quick, I posted on my story Instagram. Go follow me. Actually, real quick, like the video. Thank you so much. You guys listen. Cheyenne and I went strawberry picking. I know the duo, we came back. We haven't seen each other since Puerto Rico, but that'll be out soon. So don't worry. We got that for you guys. I got you. It's somebody, I'm not going to say who it is, but it's just some black guy on YouTube. Said that my hand looked white. And he's like, whose goddamn white hand is that? And I was like, but it's mine. But then when I did look at the video, I was like, I don't know. Anyway, sad. But wear your sunscreen, y'all. We don't want to get cancer. Okay, we want to protect our skin. Not only cancer, the sun ages you. Moisturize. Wear sunscreen. drink water. That's all I got for skincare, which is mostly skincare. That's usually how it goes to me. I have so many palettes that I haven't gotten into yet. I still have the Going Platinum palette by Morphe that I need to get into to complete the Rich and Foiled series. I have other palettes from Morphe that I got from previous hauls. Like, I have makeup. I'm looking around because I can see them. I have makeup that I haven't gotten into, so I haven't gotten too much. But I absolutely needed to re-up on some banana powder. I'm at a point where I just don't care what brand. This is the last one I did have. For some reason, there were two different packaging. I guess this is the older packaging. I don't know if what this is old or new. I didn't really care. It's banana powder. I pretty much am okay with banana powder from any brand. It doesn't really matter to me. I just really need one. This is how I set my face. I like it. I use it. It's my baby. So that's what I have. And then I didn't really need a new brush, but this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the dual-ended angle brush. This is in brush 12. I've only ever used 12 and 14, so I knew that I wanted 12, which is like a little smaller. And then they have a bunch of brushes, but these brushes are expensive, and for some reason this one had like rose gold, so I was like, okay. But I just really, I need a new one, honestly. I have one here. So this is one, I think this one is a 14. It's just been through a lot, and it's a lot thicker. I don't really need it to be so, you can see some shit. Need it to be so thick. And then I use this one for when I do the blue pomade and blue brows. So that's how that works. I want to keep them separate because it did stain a little bit, but shut up. That's it. And then of course I got my dip brow pomade. I've been using this for forever. Okay, since I still worked at Hot Topic. When I first started doing makeup, I've been using this product. I don't think I'll ever stop. I haven't found another pomade that I like. Of course, I can get away with just using a brow pencil a lot of the times. Like right now, it's just a brow gel. But I love this stuff. It lasts a very, very long time. Very long time. So I think it's well worth the money. Don't question it. Alright. And then I actually did pick up two palettes because I've never seen them before. And I think it has like some of that rich foil in there. So, and I really like the colors of the first one. So this is the first one I saw just walking by. It wasn't even at the Morphe like section. So this is the Python Code. It's the eyeshadow palette. But do you see the colors? This made me so happy. Right after I said I have Morphe palettes I haven't used, but this is it. So this is only 6-pan. I have a bunch of the 9-pan series palettes. You guys know that. I have a lot. I think I have a drawer of almost just the 9-pan series. I also need to redo this room again. So that may be a video. There's a fly in here. So that may be a video that I have to do again. The first one didn't come out. There's a lot of stuff going on. But do you see these colors? I'm trying to be nice. Like this, like teal shimmer, beautiful. I don't know if this is this for this one looks like the gold from like the gold digger palette. So I already know how that works. Just tell me by the picture of the formula. These look good. You can use them dry or wet. When it's wet, it's way more intense. Check it. Look at that playlist. But I just feel like these colors look so good. So this is the first one that I saw. I don't remember how. Oh, these are $15. I remember that because I was like, how much are they? Look at it. I don't know. This just called me. It looks so good. And then I actually walked past the Morphe section because I needed the banana powder. And I saw this one. This is right way. This one. Ooh. It just looks so good. It looks so pretty. And if you guys remember, these colors for both. I do have my Glisten shimmer with the edit. My graphic liners. I can use them with these because these are the perfect colors for it. Like it has the teal, it has the purple, the lavender. Like oh, this makes me so happy. I know you guys can't wait. I know you guys can vision it with me. You got the vision? I think these are so good. Oh, so this is Skyfi, which I can see that. This is so pretty to me. And this one, I just was like, I can't wait to use them. So I picked up these two as far as makeup, and I think that's all the makeup I have is the brow pomade, the banana powder, and these palettes. They're gorgeous, y'all. This one, I think I'm gonna have to use it first. I think I'm gonna have to figure out an outfit in my head. Probably this background, but it's so pretty to me. And this one I feel like is more like night on the town. I don't know how this one is gonna work. Usually when there's two different, if you guys can see it, there's two different like colors in like it's like a marbled shimmer. You really only get one color, so I don't know. I feel like this might be like a deeper gold, but I'm really excited to get into these. I think they're so pretty. That purple shimmer, oh my god. I think I'm gonna use that as a highlight. Okay, enough. Okay, and this is the product that actually sent me over the top, because I only planned to spend $300 and I'm spending $400. Oh yeah, and then but hey, it was like 4 and 5 times the points for a lot of stuff. If you are a member, I'm a diamond member through 2026. That means I spent way too much money there, but I got this. I got a perfume. I got the Gucci Flora. This is the Gorgeous Magnolia. There's 3 of them. There's like a pink, there's like a little teal one, little blue, and then the purple one. But this one smelled the best to me. And so I bought it. And I just ran out of one of my favorite perfumes, which is the Chris Collins Lost in Paradise. Black owned. If you guys remember, the first time I tried it, I actually got a sample of Black Girl Sunscreen. And it was from a Beauty Stat for like Black Business Owner Month, whatever month that was, I don't remember. But that's when I tried it. I fell in love with it, and I just ran out of perfume, so I was like, oh, let me just get myself something nice about this. It smells so good. But that's it. All this stuff, mostly skincare, $400. And these palettes. Can you guys tell how excited I am? But I can't wait. I can't wait. Anyways, that's it, y'all. Because I gotta edit this video. I have 2 videos to edit. But if you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. Helped me out a lot. Actually, vote in the comments which palette you want a look for first. I know I have the gold and platinum one to do. Just stop. But one of these. So we have the Sky-Fi. I did it again. So we have the Sky-Fi and we have the Python Code. Let me know in the comments. Vote. Whichever one gets the most votes, that's the look I will do first. I'm not going to tell you which one I'm more excited to do, but Sky-Fi or Python Code. Let me know. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.